Bitcoin money value kind of equivalent to $115.25 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 112.58 123.49, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 122.13, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The change basically was 6.88, 5.63%, which really is genuinely huge. Converse rate, USD to BCH, which sort of is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money value expectation for. In the not-so-distant future in month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $134. Most certainly greatest 143, really least 125, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, May 12, cost $128. Beautiful most extreme 137, kind of least 119 in a significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $127, especially greatest 136, by and large least 118, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $124, all things considered, most extreme 133, essentially least 115 in a sort of significant manner. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $127, really most extreme 136, especially least 118, which basically is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, May 18, cost $124, by and large greatest 133, least 115, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $125, all things considered, greatest 134, essentially least 116, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost $127, for the most part greatest 136, kind of least 118 in an essentially huge manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $126, greatest 135, least 117, which really is genuinely huge. In about 14 days Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 24, cost $124, in every practical sense, greatest 133. Genuinely least 115, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $126, especially most extreme 135, in every practical sense, least 117 in a sort of enormous way. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, May 26, cost $127, genuinely greatest 136, all things considered, least 118, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost $126, especially greatest 135, extremely least 117 amazingly. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost $123, sort of greatest 132, kind of least 114, which generally is very huge. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $124, sort of greatest 133, least 115. Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, June 1, cost $123, greatest 132, in every way that really matters, least 114 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $121, by and large greatest 129, in every practical sense, least 113 in an essentially significant way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost $123, sort of most extreme 132, by and large least 114, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost $120, fundamentally greatest 128, most certainly least 112, exhibiting that Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost $124, sort of most extreme 133, truly least 115, or so they basically thought. In about a month Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost $118, truly most extreme 126, sort of least 110. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost $110, most extreme 118, kind of least 102 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, June 9, cost $112, all things considered. Greatest 120 in every way that really matters, least 104 in a kind of huge way. USD to BCH swapping scale kind of equivalent to 0.8677 coins per $100. Truly further appearance how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, May 25, cost $126, kind of greatest 135, essentially least 117. Today, S reach 0.8098-0.8883, or so they by and large thought. The past day, S nearby 0.8188 in every practical sense, significant way. Change for now plus 0.0489, plus 5.97%, which in a real sense is very huge. USD to BCH cost figure for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.746 coins, kind of greatest 0.800, extremely least 0.699, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 0.781 coins, greatest 0.840, sort of least 0.730. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 0.787 coins, kind of greatest 0.847, especially least 0.735, which generally is very critical. USD to BCH forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 0.806 coins, especially greatest 0.870, least 0.752. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, May 17, cost 0.787 coins, genuinely greatest 0.847, essentially least 0.735, or so they really thought. USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost 0.806 coins, by and large most extreme 0.870, exceptionally least 0.752. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost 0.800 coins, sort of greatest 0.862, in every way that really matters, least 0.746, or so they for the most part thought. USD to BCH expectation on Monday, May 22, cost 0.787 coins, especially most extreme 0.847, beautiful least 0.735, showing how Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, May 18, cost $124, lovely greatest 133, exceptionally least 115, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, May 23, cost 0.794 coins, especially most extreme 0.855, exceptionally least 0.741, which by and large is very huge. In about 14 days USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost 0.806 coins, genuinely greatest 0.870. Fundamentally least 0.752, or so they in every practical sense thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, May 25, cost 0.794 coins, certainly most extreme 0.855, kind of least 0.741 in an especially large manner. USD to BCH expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 0.787 coins, genuinely greatest 0.847, especially least 0.735, which fundamentally is genuinely critical.